You don't know, but I told you last time. I remember.
You didn't tell me.
I told you. Remember we had a video shoot at Victoria University Auditorium.
Okay, tell me again. This time I won't forget.
He's called Mogema.
Mogema.
Yeah, oli muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Huh?
Oli muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Oli muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Igwe oli muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Okay.
Okay, you said ndi muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Ndi muzzukulu.
Ndi muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Ndi muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Omubala. They also have a saying. It's called Omubala.
Omubala.
It might be like a motto of the clan.
Okay.
Senyenku tuoche nyama.
Okay.
Say it
again.
Senyenku tuoche nyama.
Tuoche nyama.
Senyenku tuoche nyama.
Senyenku tuoche nyama.
It's like collect the firewood.
Okay.
We roast the meat.
Collect the firewood. We roast the meat. Okay.
Senyenku tuoche nyama. So that's the clan motto.
The motto.
Yeah.
Okay. Collect the firewood. Okay.
You have to learn these things.
I really want to learn that.
Yeah, people ask you, Ssentongo, what do you know about the Enkima clan? What are you?
Just know I will go home and I will do my.
Okay. In regards to dancing, as you're in the industry, do you know some of the Ugandan artists that too? Besides, do you know any other person on TikTok that you actually love their content? I
like Sharon Pings.
Sharon Pings?
Yeah.
Wow.
Because I told you I like Mpele dance and she's so fire. I like her vibes. But also from the guys I dance with, I really like a lot of them. But they are even if they are not big, they can be so great dancers, so talented, and they're still upcoming.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I have my guys, for example, Chairman, Sidok, Eli Jojo. They're not yet so big on TikTok, but if you see them dancing, you'll be like, yo,
this is nice.
Crazy. Yeah, so I even look up to them.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, for us, for this communication to reach Zayra and Sharon Pinks, we need to make this in Luganda. Huh? Say that you like Zayra so much with Sharon Pinks, with what they do.
Zayra baby ne Sharon Pinks nkwagala nnyo. Molly Steady nyo, Manisina. Yeah, I'm a big fan.
Bamanyo Zina.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really amazing. Well, as you're finalizing, what are some of the things you have for your people, for your fans in regards? Musi mcha mwena batulaba amanya nze Jona Ssentongo mbaniriza ate nate kumkutuga fomungazo kwa Tindi Files wene yakatwengako genda dala maso kubanga ate o subscribinga enensibuko ebirungi ate era nebyesanyu awo nako lwalero tuli ba sanyu nnyo kubanga ate twegattiddwako omu ku badansa ate era TikToker ow'amaanyi ennyo ku internet naddala ku TikTok. Amanya ge ye Ssentongo Vince. Well, sigenda kubanga ate mwogerera agenda kuba atuwa amanya ge ye nga ye ate ayongera okubanga ate atubuuzaako olunaku olwaleero munoonyezaako so that ayongera okubanga atunyumiza ku ngeri gyagenda ddala maaso okubanga ate atambuza obulamu bwe waneeno. Well, could you say hello to the people watching us?
Nice to meet you. I'm Ssentongo Vincent. I'm here with Jona Ssentongo.
My namesake.
Yeah, his namesake. I'm very happy to be here. And
okay. Yeah. Wow, it's such a honor that you're here with us today. For starters, most people out there be like, why would he be called Ssentongo?
Yeah, so my name is Ssentongo. As you said, most of you might wonder why. It has a story behind. So when I first came to Kampala, when I first came to Uganda, I stayed,
which year was that?
2022.
Okay.
Yeah, I stayed in Riogehehe, and I made some very close friends in my neighborhood there. I was spending most of my times with them after work and stuff, like in the evenings.
Okay.
So I was always eating with his family, talking and everything. So at one point they were like, okay, we have to give you Uganda name. From today, you're Ssentongo.
Wow.
Then people in that area started calling me Ssentongo.
Ssentongo.
Yeah, the kids, when I come home, they'll be like, Ssentongo, Ssentongo.
Okay.
So I was like, okay, let me take the name. I like it.
Did you love the name before?
Yeah.
Wow, that was really so amazing.
Yeah.
You coming to Uganda, did you know about the country first, or you felt like you should actually visit Uganda at some point?
Of course, before me coming, I did some research about everything. But honestly, I was just like, okay, let me see what's going on here. Because I think if you do research and you just type, I don't know, Uganda on Google or YouTube, you can never see what's really going on, like how life is here.
Yeah, sure.
So to experience Uganda, you have to actually be in Uganda.
Okay.
So I just did my little research about history and about the country, some general information.
Okay. What are some of the things that inspired you, like touched you when you looked out for what some of the matters that were about Uganda?
Come again?
Like, what are some of the things that inspired you when you went on Google, searched about Uganda? What are some of the things that you actually liked about the country?
So, as I said, like, it's not like when you Google or when you research, you don't find out so much. But I saw nice pictures, like the nature is what they mostly show you.
The beautiful sceneries, huh?
Yeah, like the green country. So that's what I saw, and I also heard a bit, like I checked a bit the music and some videos of parties.
Wow.
Yo.
You really like the partying style of Uganda?
Yeah, I really like it.
Wow. Have you actually visited some of the nightclubs here in Uganda?
I think I've been to most of the places. I've also worked for some nightclubs sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like you host, kind of?
Yeah, or just for dancing. You know, I'm working with a dance crew.
Okay.
Yeah, so sometimes.
Working out with them, eh? How old are you, if I'm to ask?
I'm 22.
You're 22?
Yes.
Wow, you're so young.
Yeah.
Oh, that's really amazing.
Yeah, just 22.
Just 22. Well, are you done with school?
I still have to finish, but I'm almost done.
Almost
like
done,
uni.
eh? University, eh? You know that side. Where do you come from?
German.
Germany. You have, you're not like us here with the Ugandan curriculum. A child, when he grows up, has to go to nursery, primary, secondary, university. But I hear like you guys, you actually go for, is it high school?
No, I think high school, that system is like in USA.
Okay.
But for us, we also have nursery, primary, secondary, just that the years are different. Because here, I think primary is until P7, right?
Yeah.
Now for us, we stop at P4.
P4
then,
primary.
Yeah, then after P4, they separate us to secondary school. So after P4, you're in secondary school for the rest of your school time.
Okay.
But they divide us in 3 groups, depending on how you're performing in primary school. So there's gymnasium, then that's like the highest education level. Then there's real school, and that's the mid-level, and main school.
Okay.
That's yeah.
I was to ask that when you did you graduate at university?
No, I'm yet to like I'm about to graduate.
Okay, what are you looking up to? Like, what would you want to be?
Actually, I'm gonna graduate in my bachelor.
Okay.
But I want to do a master. I really want to do a master.
Okay.
Maybe it's Makerere University. You never know.
That's really a pleasure. Yeah.
Yeah, but me personally, I have so many plans in life.
Okay.
So for now, I'm going to graduate in international business.
International business.
And I'm already working also in that field a bit. Yeah, but I can imagine seeing myself also in entertainment, but also in sports. Yeah.
Yeah, you love sports so much.
So much.
What's your favorite sport?
Dancing.
Wow.
Then apart from dancing, I love gymming and football. I've been
gymming.
Yeah.
As you don't have these muscles.
Yeah,
what's
have.
that? Let me see. Yeah, sure you have. Just that you don't want to over exaggerate and you know.
Yeah.
Okay. What are some of the good places in Uganda that you've come across?
Me, I'm the guy from Makerere Chikoni. So I really like Makerere Chikoni. Like there are so many young people, students. Even I like just chilling on campus, Makerere University. Yeah, there's always a lot going on. Me, I like that. You move around, you find people.
Okay.
Then apart from that, I really like also the Lake Victoria.
Lake Victoria.
We have met on Monday at Floating Island.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like that place. It's so chilled. Yeah, then I think Kampala has so many things. I like to go to town, even though, yeah, you know, you have to be prepared.
What do you like about town?
You can find anything at affordable prices.
Have you visited Wuuno?
Yeah,
Wuuno market?
Sure.
And have you gotten a chance to sort out some of the clothes that are looking nice and so on?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Didn't those guys in Wuuno sell those clothes at a higher price to you?
Yeah, of course they try, but by now I think I've spent enough time to figure out the prices. And also when I go, I don't go alone, like I go with my guys.
You go with your guys, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. What was the most funniest thing you found in Wuuno?
In Wuuno? No, you know Wuuno, when I go there, people can shout at me.
Oh, yeah, like, how do they be like?
No, they be like, come here, I want to sell you this, and sometimes, like, you know, people want to sell, and I really respect that. Like, these guys, they're selling clothes the whole day, like, I really respect in this noisy place.
Yeah.
But sometimes, you know, people, they come, I have a trouser for you, then they show me the trouser, and, you know, I'm a tall person. And I can see it, and I'm like, yo, I couldn't even fit in there when I was 10. Like, and you're like, no, it's really a nice trouser. But I respect it, like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like, do you like the noisy crowd, you know, or it feels disgusting?
No, it's, I think it's really okay. Like, you need to be there when you have some capacity and you know what you're really looking for. But if you go there and you have something you're looking for, yeah, you will find it. So for me, it's fine.
Do you have such in Germany or
crowded markets like this? I don't think, not the way it is here. Like, we also have sometimes some markets, but it's different.
Okay.
Yeah.
How have you found the people? Are the people friendly, welcoming?
Yeah, definitely. I think that's one of the things I really like about being here. That's why I love being here so much, because I have a lot of friends. It's really easy to make friends. Yeah. Even if it's not friends, people are friendly, you know, very welcoming. Also, to me, being a foreigner, they really make me feel like home.
Have you ever reached a point whereby you can't communicate with some of the natives here?
I think in the beginning, maybe.
In the beginning?
Yeah, because by now I can, like, if somebody doesn't know how to speak English, I can communicate with them in Luganda.
Okay.
But in the beginning, of course, like mostly like some kids, it was hard for me. That's why even I decided, okay, at least let me learn the basics or as far as I can. Okay,
let me give an example. You're going to the shop. I would like to purchase maybe a matchbox in Luganda briefly. How could you ask for a matchbox?
A matchbox?
Yeah, at a grocery.
Mbagala matchbox.
Mbagala matchbox?
Yeah.
What if the Ssentongo.
Yeah.
Do you know Ugandan currency? Like how to count Ugandan money?
Yeah, sure.
Wow, that's the first thing you learned? Oh.
No, I think the first things was like greetings and stuff, but then the price is like
good morning.
Good morning. Like
Wasuzotia. Yeah. You know there is a good morning, good afternoon.
Osibiotia. Yeah.
Good night.
Solabulunji.
Wow, you really know this, eh? In the Enkima clan. Last time I remember, like I told you, you know, when you're having a clan, there are some other things that do follow. Like, let me say, the leader of the clan. Do you know the leader of the Enkima clan?
Tell me.
You don't know? But I told you last time, I remember.
You didn't tell me.
I told you. Remember we had a video shoot at Victoria University Auditorium?
Okay, tell me again. This time I won't forget.
He's called Mogema.
Mogema?
Yeah, oli muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Huh?
Oli muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Oli muzzukulu wa
Igwe.
Mogema.
Igwe oli muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Okay.
Okay, you said ndi muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Ndi muzzukulu.
Ndi muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Ndi muzzukulu wa Mogema.
Omubala. they also have a saying. It's called Mbagala. It might be like a motto of the clan.
Okay.
Senyenku tuoche nyama.
Okay.
Say it
again.
Senyenku tuoche nyama.
Tuoche nyama.
Senyenku tuoche nyama.
Senyenku tuoche nyama.
It's like collect the firewood.
Okay.
We roast the meat.
Collect the firewood. We roast the meat. Okay.
Senyenku tuoche nyama. So that's the clan motto.
The motto.
Yeah.
Okay. Collect the firewood. Okay.
You have to learn these things.
Like I really want to learn that.
Yeah, people will ask you, Ssentongo, what do you know about the Enkima clan? What are you?
Just know I will go home and I will do my.
Okay. In regards to dancing, as you're in the industry, do you know some of the Ugandan artists that have really done so good? Could you mention a few?
Yeah, like I think Uganda has really so many talented artists, which I would also love to see, because me, I'm a foreigner and still I love the music. So I would love to see them also on the big floor there. There's of course Fikfameka, Karukasita, Mozelo Kids. There's so many, Spice Diana, King Saha. Like, I'm a big fan also, Tojo and Sharon. I think they're so talented.
Okay.
Then, of course, Joshua Baraka, I think he's the one raising the Ugandan flag.
Like, does Joshua Baraka's music hit in Germany?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, it's so popular. Okay, for mostly, especially like wrong places, you hear it a lot there.
Okay.
Because, okay, Germany mostly, not necessarily the Germans, but Germany is very international. People with many backgrounds from different countries, so when you go to clubs or something, you always hear wrong places, or Morocco was also hit. Yeah, so I think he's very popular.
Okay. How about the rest of the Ugandan artists? Does their music hit in Germany?
Honestly, it's somehow rare to hear it. So I've not heard so many songs, though there are also many Ugandans.
In Germany?
Yeah, there's a big Ugandan community. Shout out also there.
Wow, they're your friends as well, let's say.
And they organize nice events. They try to keep the Ugandan community together. So there are always Ugandan artists coming to Germany.
Yeah, most of the time. Right?
Yeah. Okay. This year we already had Fake, Fameka, Spice Diana, King Saha. Yeah.
I know you love Karokasita so much, as I do. In any of our songs, could you drop a line? Like, could you go on to the lyrics and sing, or drop just one line?
And without hearing the music, okay, like, I'm not a singer. I'm not a singer. I know, like, bang, and there's. For me, my favorite song is Go. Okay. Like,
with Elijah Chitaka.
Yeah. Even without the remix, for me, it was already fire.
Yeah, the original song.
Yeah, the remix is also fire, but also the original song. Yo, I was hearing it.
Yeah.
Go. Yeah. It's really,
go. Yeah, it's really a good song.
Then, yeah.
Okay. To the TikTok fraternity, have you been able to meet some of the TikTokers, the dancers who are on TikTok? You know, us here in Uganda, most TikTokers here are dancers. Have you met up with them, have a good time with them, and so on?
Yeah, I think I connect with a lot of my fellow dancers, and I love to link up with new dancers.
Okay.
And I think it's a nice thing about Uganda. Like, for example, if you go to town on Sunday, these streets, like where there's the I Love Kampala sign, it's full of dancers. Yeah. You find a lot of TikTokers, a lot of talents.
Making content.
Yeah, so I think I've really linked up with a lot of...
Don't they disturb you, most of the girls?
Nah. They be nice.
Huh?
They're nice.
You have a Ugandan girlfriend?
I don't.
You don't have?
No.
Do you have any?
I don't have a girlfriend.
No, like in Germany?
No.
No? You're not interested in such matters?
No, of course, like, but you know, love comes, love goes. If love comes, yeah, then I'm ready.
But I guess most of them do crush on you.
I don't know about that.
Oh, you don't know about that? Okay, we talking about the food. What food do you love most here?
I love a lot of food, like I think the Ugandan cuisine is very, there's a variety of nice foods. I like matoke, I like pilau, I really like the ginat sauce. I eat a lot of katogo most of the times. I like the fact that you can just go out, buy food, and it's so affordable, like 3K, 4K, you get a full plate of food.
Yeah.
Then I also like the snacks like Rolex, samosas, egg rolls, yeah.
Do you go ahead and buy some food, street food?
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah.
Don't people disturb you while you're on the streets trying to get some food?
No, not really. And I think right now, I told you Chikoni Makarele, that's my area. Like,
Oh, seems you love that place so much.
yeah, and I think most people by now they know me because I have my people where I buy from. So when I'm there, I talk with them.
Okay.
But people like they don't really disturb.
Since when did you start up with your dancing thing on TikTok?
On TikTok, okay, I've been dancing for longer, but I just didn't post. I just did it for my own fun. And my TikTok account, I just started it last year actually.
Okay.
And at first I was not serious, like I posted a video once a month and I didn't know how TikTok works. And then I think when I really got serious was like last year, August.
Last year in
September.
August, eh? Okay.
And then things went very fast.
You started seeing your videos moving viral.
Yeah.
Wow. Have you gotten some, let me say, deals from TikTok? You know, here in Uganda, when people see you, when your account is viral everywhere, they start engaging you in their businesses. You'll be like, you should come and endorse for me, such and such a business, I give you some money. Have you started getting some of the clients like in that way?
Yeah, of course I did. Though me, I mind how I do my business things. So I do these things when I like. Okay, for example, if I'm supposed to promote a song, I will only promote it if I also like the song.
Like the song.
So for me, if you see a video on my TikTok account, a dance video, just know I'm behind it. Like I like the song I'm promoting. I will not promote something I don't like. Yeah, and I think that's also why my account is still growing, because I don't do anything. Yeah, but of course that's a nice thing about TikTok when you grow.
Okay.
And when you really do like videos of quality and you take time for them, yeah, you get some deals.
Do you know Zayra baby?
Yeah.
What do you like about her?
She's also a good dancer. I've actually never met her in person. I would like to meet her in person, but it has not yet happened. But she's a great dancer, and I think she does very good content. Also, her videos have very, very high quality.
Yeah.
Like you can see when she does a video, she has a plan behind it.
Yeah, sure.
So I really respect that. Of course, I think for every dancer, TikToker, she's somebody like you're looking up to.
Besides her, do you know any other person on TikTok that you actually love their content?
I like Sharon Pings.
Sharon Pings.
Yeah.
Eh? Wow.
Because I told you I like Mpele dance, and yo, she's so fire. I like her vibes. But also from the guys I dance with, I really like a lot of them. But they are even if they are not big, they can be so great dancers, so talented, and they're still upcoming.
Okay.
Yeah. Because I have my guys, for example, Chairman, Sidok, Eli Jojo. They're not yet so big on TikTok, but if you see them dancing, you'll be like, yo,
this is nice.
Crazy.
Yeah,
so I even look up to them.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know, for us, for this communication to reach Zayra and Sharon Pinks, we need to make this in Luganda. Huh? Say that you like Zayra so much with Sharon Pinks, with what they do.
Zayra baby ne Sharon Pinks nkwagala nnyo. Muli steady nnyo. Manisina. Yeah, I'm a big fan.
Bamanyo Zina.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really amazing. Well, as you're finalizing, what are some of the things you have for your people, for your fans in regards to that?
Yeah, I'm very grateful for everything, for the support, for the love. Like every message, every comment, I try to go through it, I try to read it, and I really appreciate also when you talk to me anywhere, like when you see me, feel free to approach me. I'm always happy to interact with you, to meet new people. Yeah, and I'm just very grateful because these opportunities I get to meet people, to go to places, is because people support me, and I don't take that for granted.
Do you have any challenges so far?
Challenges?
Yeah, on TikTok.
Okay, like TikTok, the thing is you need to be consistent. Then sometimes maybe you're busy, you're in exams, you're working, you're traveling, you get sick. So sometimes...
Huh?
Press specific.
Left.
No, press 2 minutes.
That's all we have, eh?
That's used.
Okay. For first pause.
The challenges?
Yeah.
Yeah, as I said, you need to be consistent, and sometimes it's not easy. But yeah, TikTok, people forget easily, or TikTok doesn't support you when you don't post always.
Yeah, sure.
Then of course, sometimes also everybody's busy in this business. So sometimes you want to link up with people, you don't make it, they don't make it, it's hard to get time. People are trying, but yeah, I think that's some challenges. Oh, and maybe another challenge, to be honest. I hear also from other dancers in that industry. I think people should start valuing dancers more. I'm not only talking about myself, but also about mostly other dancers. I hear from them, you know, they really take a lot of time. Like when they go for a gig, when they do a video, just know they have trained for it. It's not only
they are putting their effort.
Yeah, it's not only the 1 or 2 hours that they are dancing. There comes a lot of training with it, like years of training. So please, if you get dancers, pay them well. If you get artists, pay them. Don't do these things like, yeah, we'll pay you afterwards. Then you call them, yeah, I'm gonna send the money.
Yeah, you know that.
Or you pay them little money. Imagine somebody dances for 2 hours, he has trained.
Like, have you ever reached at that point? You personally?
Honestly, yeah, I've worked with people and then they have not paid me.
Like local people here? Dancers, artists?
I don't want to
mention, yeah, you know.
Yeah, but I've also reached that point, not only once, you know, you have to get used to it.
So what did that artist tell you?
No,
don't mention, it's okay, but I just want to know, what did they tell you? What did that guy tell you?
Okay, for dancers, get your payment or at least a deposit before you work. No matter if you do a video, they have to pay you before, or if you go for a gig, they have to give you a deposit before, because otherwise you can find yourself in that situation. Not everyone does it, like most people, they pay you, but at least get a deposit if you have never worked with that person. Because me, I found myself, I did videos, I used my time, I danced I've danced somewhere at a gig, and I went home, I used my own transport, and I didn't get the payment. And I know this has not only happened to me, it happens to other dancers.
To other dancers as well, yeah.
That's why I wanted to address it. Like,
but I think with that, there is a point, we also need to be professional while we are doing work. Like if you have an engagement with someone, he needs you to their video shoot, I think it's something most of the dancers should do. Ask for your payments first, because they know what you're going to deliver. You get? Because an artist can't just get into your inbox without knowing your worth. You get? I think that would actually leave good terms dancers with the artists, right? Yeah.
I mean, it's mostly the managers reaching out.
The managers.
So I don't think you can even blame the artist.
Yeah.
But yeah, as you said, get your payment before.
Yeah, get your payment before.
Yeah.
Like that. Yeah? Like that.
What?
Say a statement.
I've done my statement.
That's not a statement. Basibly. Like you some kind nice Luganda words.
To
mwebale nnyo kutulaba
nanza mwebale nnyo kulaba. Yeah.
Kali. Okay, that's Ssentongo Vince for you. We are delighted to have him today on our show. Well, to those that are first viewers today, just go down onto our YouTube channel, subscribe, Tindi Files. Ssentongo is my name. See you next time. Bye bye.